STEM is everywhere. Yes, science, technology, engineering, and math, I believe, is the foundation of everything that we do in life. And so I believe that there is a new approach to how we should be encouraging our elementary school students, our middle school students, our high school students, and even our early childhood students on learning STEM. So when I say STEM is everywhere, I actually wrote a book that shows a lot of different activities on how you can actually learn STEM. But when you think about it, whether it is in sports, whether it's in fashion, whether it is in the healthcare industry, whether it is like even with my beard, right? STEM is everywhere. And I think about gravity, how at one time I had hair on my head and now I guess hair has dropped to my chin. But guess what? STEM is in everything that we do. And I believe rather than teaching our students and going about it by helping them with the foundations of chemistry or biology or physics, what if we start talking about STEM from the things that they do every single day? From the video games they play, from the cell phones that they're on, from the time periods when they're going grocery shopping or in your home when you're cooking. STEM is everywhere. So what I want to do, I want to take you inside of a live event where I spoke at a STEM conference over in Qatar in the Middle East, where I gathered educators, Ministry of Education leaders, and teachers to talk about this new approach and how we can help students learn it, love it, and live it. Hey, watch this video as we go live. Well, it's live, not live now, but it was live when I spoke over in Qatar. What if in politics, give her a hand. Would it be kind of cool in politics when you had two individuals maybe running for an office, right? And they were debating? What if we could have something on them that if they tell a lie, if they tell an untruth, it sort of buzzes, or unless everybody knows, that's not the truth. right? Cool. Like a buzzing the whole time. Right? Give it up for politics. All right? Sports.
So for sports, we have like new training tools which involve all STEM factors: material, technology, the research, advancements. Then we comes to the AI uses, the virtual reality that it will display what all you are going through, your biological, your medical, your physical, all analysis. Then comes to digital resources, like you can learn from new techniques and digital resources for all kind of sports. You are available, like YouTube is the best one. Kinesiology, like the sports physiotherapy, that's also help you that what kind of sports you are doing and which kind of muscles you need to tone, all those. Sports gears, now the advanced material is available, lightweight, very good cushion shoes, new texture, new textile that we can use. Data analysis, you can learn from your mistakes.
Right.
So you can rewatch your performance and learn where you did mistakes, and you can improve your games. Online technology, again, I'm coming to the marketing and all those advancements in this online field, and the strategic planning, that's very important for the sports leadership, because if you're going to win a match, you need to collect the data, you need to analyze those, and then you plan how you are going to bash the next team.
Cool. Give it up for sports. So what do you think, right? Do you feel that you could use everyday activities to talk about STEM? And you saw there where we were able to talk about politics and talk about sports. We even got into security and fashion. What can you do to generate some new conversations with your students? Maybe you're at home and you're talking about the vacuum cleaner, right? How can you turn conversations about the vacuum cleaner into the foundations of science, technology, engineering, and math? What about when your son or your daughter, they're on their video game? How can you take that video game and use that to teach science, technology, engineering, and math? Now, if you need any help with making this happen, I would love for you to, down below, if you want a copy of my book, STEM is Everywhere, just type the word copy or book in the comments and I'll send you a link of how you can get my best-selling book. It's called STEM is Everywhere, Activities to Help Students Learn It, Love It, and Live It. Where from elementary school all the way to high school, just different activities that you can use in the home and in the school to make STEM fun again. Hey, I'm Kantis Simmons, the coolest guy with 7.25 fingers. And remember this, STEM is everywhere.